Hey guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing an unboxing for the Potomac Beads treasure box for October of 2025. I cannot believe it's already the middle of October. This year has flown by. So if you are not familiar with Potomac Beads, this treasure box is a monthly subscription. If you price it monthly, it's $39.99 a month. If you price it quarterly, it's $34.99 a month. So you save $60 a year. And if you price it annually, it's $29.99 a month. So you save $120 a year. It's a great box with a little bit for your stash, you know, bead supplies, some findings, a little bit of everything. And there's usually a theme every month. So it's beautiful. And Potomac Beads is a great company. So let's see, we have Lavender Latte treasure box. This month's box is all about cozy vibes and warm creativity. Cozy up with fall-inspired pinks, purples, and warm autumn tones. This month's box features gemstones, pearls, crystals, seed beads, and Czech glass. Perfect for layering and creating your own seasonal sparkle. Plus, enjoy exclusive laser cut latte cups and swirling steam accents to glue and layer into your very cozy latte earrings. Pour yourself a cup, get creative, and let your imagination steam. Okay. Oh, check these out. Oh, these are pretty. And they've got 2 holes on the side. These can be really fun. They always send us some of this, like maybe every 3rd box or something, which is great because I love these little things of E6000 because when you buy the big tubes, they seem to dry out, and these little ones are perfect. So, oh, look at these. Oh, such pretty. Ooh, okay, let me get everything settled. I'll be right. Okay, so the first one is the Czech Marquee Gold Inlay package of 6. Oh, these are really cool. And the holes appear on the top. It's the same on both sides. And you get 6 of them. Really pretty. Okay. And next are the Czech Drop Beads October Mix 3x5mm, a package of 42. That's a lot of drop beads. Hands. I'm trying to bring everything up to the camera so you can really get a good look at it. So there's a mix. There's some matte in there. There's some shiny, some pink, some purple, some silver, some gold, some copper, like really pretty little mix going on there. So we got that. And then next, we got the Azuki Seed Beads Vintage Rose. I'm not going to take these out because we all know what they look like. These are really pretty. Really pretty. And then next, these are a really pretty mix. The Super Duo Mix, October Mix. Look at these. They've got some copper, some like almost like a khaki green, some purple, some pink. Really pretty mix. Okay, these are fun. Athena Cast Halo Diamond pack of 8. These look like these would be really fun because there's 2 holes. Let me get these out. So they're diamonds. Let me get one to the side. You see how there's, I'm trying to get it. I'm standing over my camera because I really want to make sure this is, so you see how there's 2 holes right there? Oop. So you got 2 holes on the side. So this would be really fun. You can put another bead in there. You could do a super duo in there. 2 super duos probably if you wanted to. Those are pretty. And next, Czech melon beads, 8mm, package of 5. These are really pretty. Almost look like a cotton candy kind of. Got like a light pastel blue with some pink. Maybe a little bit of a copper wash in there, kind of. And that one maybe. But very pretty. And then next, Potomac Pearls Cream Rose 2mm half strand. So they give us 2 strands. They give us a 2mm and an 8mm. So this is the 2mm. Very dainty. Very dainty. And then the next one is Potomac Pearls Old Lace 8mm half strand. This is pretty too. It's got a very antique vintage look to it. That's probably why it's called Old Lace. It's like you know, you find a pair of a pearl necklace from your aunt or your grandmother or something. It's that color, which is really cool. This vintage is so in right now. Next is Gemstones Purple Tones Jade Faceted Rondelles 4mm. Just love me a good bead box, huh? Okay. Look at these colors. Very pretty. You could do one of those section necklaces that they're showing. Anthropologie's got them there and everything. This would be perfect for that. And these are the rondelles. Very pretty. Okay. And next, Potomac Crystal Cubes, AB, package of 50. I'm not going to bring them all out. Just bring some. Look how pretty they are. Very pretty. Okay, and next, Potomac large leaf beads in topaz. Large. Other one has a teeny bit of a chip. I'm sure if I contact them, they will replace that. That goes right up there. These they're very pretty. Okay, those would be pretty for dangle earrings. And then next is stainless steel tweezers. They always send us these kind of things. Really nice because, you know, when you're working with something really small and you just need to pick it up. Got that. Okay. And next, Potomac Crystal Bicone Beads Tanzanite AB, package of 60. I'm just going to put some of them out. I won't put all of them out. Look at how pretty these are. Ooh. Look at that sparkle. Love me some sparkle bead. Okay, there's that. And next is the Czech Vintage Rice Bead. This is really cool. Make sure it's in focus. This is really pretty. This could make a bracelet. That's very pretty. And next are Miyuki Seed Beads, Vintage Copper 8.0. I'm not going to take these out. Very pretty though. see those. And then these are laser cut latte charms. How cute are these? Okay. So here we have, that's the cup, and then that's the latte. I know you can peel these off. They come off. How cute is that? Oh my gosh. And last but not least, our trusty E6000, which we all can use it. You never have too much of the E6000. This is our go-to glue. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing for October of 2025 Lavender Latte. And like I said, I will put a link below to the Potomac beads, their website, and I will leave links to all my social media as well. And please let me know down in the comments what you thought of this box. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Hit and give me a thumbs up and even leave me a comment. It really helps with my algorithms on my channel. And I will see you on my next video. I hope you enjoyed this. Have a great day. Thank you so much for watching.